Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Here's how you can reduce the armhole of a dress. So this is the dress with a big armhole. What you need to do is you need to tuck it inside like this and stitch it from inside. So you just need to fold the arms as shown and stitch it from inside. So this is how it looks once you have stitched it from inside. Once you finish stitching it, you need to hold this part and stitch it at the back as shown. And here it's done. So this is a simple way how you can reduce the armhole of a dress at home itself. And so now you have reduced the armhole from this to this. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.